Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to become a Showit Design Partner. All right. So first up, take note of these prerequisites. All right. First, you must be an active Showit subscriber. Okay. Make sure that you don't have the trial account, just like me in here, and just click on subscribe from your account dashboard. Now, another one, you'll have to take and pass the course, which is right here. And don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. Okay. This course. This is the Design Market Standard online course from Showit. Okay, that it says here. In this course, you'll learn about Showit's high standards for all designs to the Showit design market. Now, here are some prerequisites. Again, a designer should be familiar with the basic use of Showit before starting this course. This course does not cover basic use of Showit, and this course focuses on proper formatting of a design so that all designs available within the Showit design market have a consistent quality and ease of use. All right. So in here, as you can see, you can just easily click on take this course, and first up, make sure to log in with your Showit account before taking the course, because the results of this quiz right here will be sent to that specific email that is tied to your Showit account. Okay. Now, once you've passed this course or quiz, they will just give you an email where you can go ahead and to follow the set of instructions. Okay. They might ask you to provide a portfolio of your work, past clients, and moving forward, you'll gain access to the design market to sell your own designs and can continue to participate in the design community. Okay. And don't worry, if you didn't pass this course, you can always take this course over and over again until you get it. Okay. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.